Giko kiria kiriga kuhanika kuria family imwe iriga gutharikira arigitani thibitari-ini wa Naivasha sub county kurumirira gikuo kia murwaru wao na njira iria maugite ni ngiarigiriirio. Nikio gicungireirie arigitani guikara na hahu nene mari mawira-ini ma undu uria kuhitukira kiama kia arigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers nikio KUCO. Undu umwe na kiama na thima kumithitie giko giki.
It is very disturbing and concerning that right now the health workers here are working with a lot of fear. Fear from an incident that happened on Sunday.
The person who is empowered to prosecute on behalf of the government to move with speed and procure court orders to bar this guy from accessing this facility.
Family amutigaire Dan Muigai kanete gukoro yatuthurire gicanjama giki makiuga murwaru wa akuire thutha wa kuhorerio machini ya riera ria kuhuhia ni gukorwo matare na ciringi 10,000 iria metagio cia utungata wa mbere undu uria muikariri gite wa KUCO Peterson wa Shiro igite ni muhuhu.
We expect thorough investigation, action ichukuliwe, hatua ichukuliwe mzuri. Our members were protected na wapate haki yao.
The case that happened here on Sunday has attributed to instability of the staff who are here. They feel threatened, they feel shaken, and they are not stable to continue offering services without being assured of their security.
Kiama giki ni kiendekithitie bunge ya Senate na iria cia kaunti ihitukie watho wa kwendekithia thibitari ciothe irangiragwo ni maabitha a borithi niguo guthingatithia ugitiri wa arigitani othe mari mawira-ini.
We are going to do a petition, one to the County Assembly in Nakuru and the other one to the National Senate, so that we can ask them to put it in law that our hospitals must have armed security 24/7 and adequate, so that it doesn't become a norm.
We want a person who is well armed to man this place, especially at night, where someone can walk in and do such a harm.
Iguru ria maya cia maici ni ikuruhanĩtie unyihu wa arigitani thibitari-ini wa Naivasha na ihinda iraya riria arwaru makoretwo magieterera mbere ya mamũkĩrĩte urigitani. Riu magithingata thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru kwandĩka arigitani makiria thibitari-ini niguo kugacirithia motungata.
The queue here is very long, and most of the consultation rooms are empty. No one is there to see patients.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.